Alright y'all, so look, right now we're about to be reviewing this right here, which is called the Deluxe Spiral Cutter. And I'm also gonna get into 3 essential tools that you need as a vegan. And also, if you saw the last video, I was speaking about 3 habits that you need to have, to have a successful transition as an alkaline vegan. But in this video, I'm also gonna be telling you 3 tools that you need to really just, do this vegan thing efficiently, okay? This right here is the Deluxe Spiral Cutter. And if you look at it, you feel me, it has like a tool that you spin around, you put the zucchini right here, and it comes out right here. And it has multiple cutters. Here, I actually got this from Walmart. Had a zucchini spiralizer before, so I'll get into that as well. But this right here is the spiralizer. It's fully plastic, it comes with, of course, some metal, right, to cut. What I like the most about this, I've had it for about like a month now, but what I like the most about it is that it comes with multiple cutters. This right here is the thick julienne, this right here is the thin julienne, and this right here is just the ribbon cutter. Now, you feel me, I don't segregate, you feel me, but I like them both thin and thick. I've been using the thin one mostly recently, she be getting me right. It's fully plastic. Now, what's different about this zucchini spiralizer that I do like is that it's not cutting my hands, okay? My other zucchini spiralizer used to cut my hands all the time because I was actually using my hand to turn the zucchini inside the spiralizer. In addition to that, if you guys want to get this free meal plan for, your plant-based vegan journey, then stay tuned in the video because later on in the video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get that 100% for free, okay? So what you would do is you'll take the zucchini, you'll cut it off, and you'll put the butt right here. And then once the butt is right here, you would just spin it and it'll just come out on this side off into a plate or a bowl of whatever you choose it to be. Something that I do not like is this right here. I don't really even know what this is for. I do not know what this is for. Maybe to just do that, but why is this even here? This is kind of like way too long and it sticks out as well. I don't like it. I don't really understand the function. This could have been just like a little itty bitty thing that came out and you just kind of guide it because this conflicts, right? Other than that, I really don't have any other complaints. Pros are it comes with these 3 cutters, thick, thin, and the ribbon cutter, as well as it's going to prevent me from cutting my hands so often like how I did with my other zucchini spiralizer, as well as it's very, very light. It's portable. You can take this anywhere you want. And also it sucks to the table with these suction cups like this, okay? All you do is just put it on the table, right? Press down and boom. It's very, very much so stuck to the table. Now, the cons that and then also another pro is this, is that, these are very, very easy to clean. One thing I hated about my other spiralizer, like I absolutely hated, was the fact that when it came to cleaning, I would have to take it apart, you feel me, and really, really get in there. Like I couldn't get all the way in there as much as I wanted to clean it the best way possible. But with this right here, it's just a simple water, you feel me, take the rag, boom, 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 and it's good, you feel me? Now, if you're traveling, like let's say, out of country and you're flying somewhere, I don't know necessarily if this can come with you because of the blades and stuff like that, but I will try one day. Now, the cons of this spiralizer is I wish these suction cups could be a little bit not as strong. For me, sometimes I just like to be able to move it around, you feel me? And yeah, I just wish it was easier to move around instead of it just being like so stuck to the table. It's not that big of a complaint, but it's more, I probably would say like a preference, I prefer it to kind of just be easier to take off. Or if not, maybe, I don't know, I'm probably just complaining a little bit, way too much. Let me know below. And it also has these trays as well. The cutters just go right here. As well as when you cut the zucchini, nothing is really flying everywhere. With my other zucchini spiralizer, things was just flying everywhere. Another con about this spiralizer is this. If you look at this, I've had this for like a little under a month. Look at how wobbly this is already. So I don't think this is very, very sustainable because it's already getting beat up, I'm not as heavy-handed as what most people would think. This should be better. Like, since this is like the main thing that I'm using to make my zucchini pasta, this should be stronger, because it's already wobbly, and I've only had it for a month. This doesn't look to be promising to last. As well as, I don't know what this really does. So that's another con. As well as this kind of blocks this. As well as it's really, really big. It's kind of big, like look at this. Like it's kind of big, Other than that, is good, you feel me? And I got it for $17 whole at Walmart. So I really can't complain about that, especially they gave me 3 cutters. Now in short, you feel me, the 3 things that every vegan should have is really just a juicer, a spiralizer, as well as a blender. In addition to that, if you guys wanna get the meal plan, it's in the description of this video and it's the first link after the copy. Make sure you check out my recipe book in the description. You know, 3 breakfast, 3 lunch, and 3 dinner alkaline recipes. And one of the dinner meals is actually the zucchini pasta. Very easy to make, as well as the fireness. The sauce is just amazing, y'all. If the sauce ain't right, you feel me, I'm not on it. But the sauce is right with that recipe and I love it. But with that being said, y'all, like the video, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for being here. Let me know where y'all from. Are y'all from California, the UK, Africa, wherever y'all from, comment it down below and let's chat. All right, y'all, peace.